going to take a look at my November, December Traveler's Notebook Kit. We'll take a look at the contents of the kit as well as what I did with it. We will also take a look at two new Traveler's Notebook covers, one that is perfect for the holidays. We'll also take a look at several other new add-ons that I have brought into my website as well. Let's get going.
Alrighty, so let's take a look at what I did with the kit, and then we'll take a look at the kit. So for the month of November, I am using the hexagon Traveler's Notebook cover, and it is super pretty. If you can see, it has kind of gold foil, excuse me, not gold, like a rose gold, copperish looking kind of foil. So really pretty. Then the inside, you have a beautiful kind of tan leather with mint green accents and then cream or white pockets. So I have used the Heritage collection from Crate Paper for November, and it's just a really sweet, soft, pastel-y-ish collection with a little bit of fall thrown in with some mustard and some of the little bit darker colors. So that'll give you a really good feel for the color palette to the collection. All right, so we have decorated the pockets. Always fun, always cute. We actually trimmed off one of the papers to create a fun little border there. This pocket configuration is a little bit different than the Carpe Diem one that I've used in the past. So if you are using a Carpe Diem, then in the how-to video, we'll talk about kind of how to decorate that little area a little bit differently. Cute little squirrel. This collection has these really fun wax, like embossed wax seals. So you'll have one of those in the kit as well. So that is one of the inserts that we've covered. And then the second one with a little card that we're cutting up and a few of the stickers from the collection. So that is the beautiful Heritage collection for November. And look at this cute pen. I'm going to talk about the pen in a second, but isn't that fun? Just a really good pen. A lot of times you guys will ask me, where do you get your cute pens? So I have some cute pens now, but stay tuned for that in a second. All right, for the month of December, I am using this beautiful Black Watch plaid from Echo Park. Isn't that gorgeous? So both of these that I showed, the hexagon as well, the honeycomb hexagon, both are available on my website at laylebymail.com. So as we look at December, I'm using the Holly Jolly collection from Simple Stories. And here we've added some fun little pearl little stickers for the little holly on our leaves. Some cotton for Santa's hat, a beautiful piece of ribbon there to decorate the inside, a cute little reindeer sticker, and some other things. The inserts, so this one uses actually a paper from My Mind's Eye, and then the other decorated insert. And this is another cute pen. Isn't that fun? It just so happens to be a set of two. All right, so let's take a look at the kit. These are the little goodies. So you have 12 inches. Oh, you have 12 inches of that beautiful ribbon. You have a little wood veneer heart, 2 glitter star stickers along with the little reindeer sticker, kind of a little 3D pop-up, one of 3 different designs of the wax seal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of the pearl dots, and then 18 inches each of 2 different washi. So the yellow one is for November for Heritage, and this beautiful holly for December. All right, and then a little cotton ball, because you need the cotton ball for Santa's hat. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of the contents of the kit. So we have an insert, 2 sheets of 6 by 12 stickers for Heritage, 12 by 12 sticker sheet for Holly Jolly, and 6 different papers. So 3 for Heritage. They're beautiful, just so pretty. Oh, you know what? Oh, there it is. Okay, I thought I was missing a paper there. And this is the cut apart that we're using for November. And then we move into December, the cut apart and the 2 papers. All right, now a couple of extra things I want to show you. We already took a look at the Traveler's Notebooks, the new covers that I have available. I also have available this really fun Christmas embellishment kit, and I will link to this in the video. But this includes tons and tons, more than 100 different pieces of embellishments that would be great for December. So you could use that for your December Traveler's Notebook. You could use it for a December daily or my Document Your December album. Really any type of Christmas project. But you have enamel dots and a full roll of washi, some glitter, 3 hand stamp tags that I did, different ribbon, baker's twine, gold twine, library card, lots and lots of things there. So you can see more about that in the description. I'll have a link to that on my website at laylebymail.com. This is that pen set that I showed you. Isn't that fun? Let me just open that so you can see. But this would be a great gift if you have a planner friend or a little traveler's notebook friend and you guys exchange gifts at Christmas. But just two pens, black ink, but really cute and neutral. The little swirly on that one, little plus signs on that one. That is one of 4 different pen sets that I have brought into my store. Then we have 3 different sets of stamps. You just saw a peek of my hair there. Wanted to make sure that I was still recording. 3 different sets of stamps. And you guys, for those of you that use weekly inserts, daily inserts, monthly inserts, or even your list making, these would be great to pick up as we're starting to head into a new year. So the season stamp set, that one has 50 stamps for all the different holidays, Father's Day, back to school, Happy Valentine's, and the little icons that go along with it. So I'll have a link to those as well. It's a date stamp, so you have 1 through 31 large numbers, 1 through 31 small numbers, a few icons, and then your months of the year. And then finally, the make a list. And the make a list is really fun because you have all these little boxes for lists, little bullets and little things like that to number your lists, and then some different stamps also to number your lists or to set up your lists. I also have a set of holiday traveler's notebook inserts. So there are 2 lined inserts. One is the buffalo plaid, one is the black watch plaid. I mentioned if you are getting ready to gear up for the new year or thinking about it, my next kit for January and February will ship in probably mid-December. So if you use a monthly insert and you need a new one, this would be a good time to pick one up with your kit if you haven't already. And then finally, a second new Traveler's Notebook cover for December. And this one, you guys, is so pretty. This would also be kind of fun for February for Valentine's Day. But this is the buffalo plaid, the red and black check buffalo plaid that also comes with an insert. All right, you guys, the November, December Traveler's Notebook kits are shipping now. If you haven't already ordered, I have a link to that in the description for the video, and you can add on anything that you'd like. All right, friends, take care. Bye-bye.